Hi, this is Tiemac web portal fleet management solution. In this video, we will cover up the web as well as Windows driver app, Tiemac Windows driver app. So we will start first with web portal and the dispatch. Dispatch carries from which location to pick up and deliver. So this dispatches shows the list, and the color makes us distinguish between the dispatch status. Like if it's yellow, then it's currently running and it's not completed, and if the dispatch color is green, then it is completed and all the delivery has been done. So under this dispatch we can see the loads which are attached to particular dispatch. So these loads have some values entered in it. This can be entered from Windows driver app and from here as well, web portal. First, these loads are added from here on the Windows portal. So it has its values for load type, which will be the customer and the date of contract. So then you can see under the dispatch number, miles, travel miles, and the start and end dates, and the driver who will be carrying this dispatch. So now we will switch to Windows driver app. This is Tiemac Windows driver app. When the driver logs in, he gets this first screen and he needs to select his particular dispatch. He is only able to see the dispatches which are assigned to him and in the particular date range. So we will select this second. This is ELD device on which the driver will need to log in. So this is a unique ID by ELD device. So we will select it. On the next screen we will see this is the dashboard, and this is ELD, electronic login device. So once the driver logs in, he sees his status. This is the current status in which the driver is. It is driving. This 4 radials shows us the timers for remaining, like how much the hours or time is remaining for the break, how much time he has driven for today or current day, and this is the working, how many hours are remaining for his working. Cycle denotes how many hours are remaining for a week. This list displays his particular ELD log per day. So there are almost 8 logs. So when the driver logs in, he can first, or he can change his status from there. This different statuses like off duty, on duty, sleeper berth, yard conveyance, personal move, and driving. So we will change it to off duty and say save it. So here it will remain safe, and when we turn it off, the timers stop at working. When if its driver has changed the status to off, so we will see this is reset. Now the driver is logged. So the timers will show this particular time. So driver can also see his current logs, current day log from here. So this graph shows his current day log, how much time he has worked in. On the back, then we have a DOT Department of Transportation. Here we will see the Department of Transportation, some graph added and the values of particular day and the previous buttons. We can see the dates changing. We can see the dates, and this displays the graph how the changes are of status of a driver has been shown. We can just see this list of his ELD logs recorded on that particular day and the status what where the driver was in. Likewise, we can go forward and check his status. These are the values which TOT mainly needs about the driver license date, and TOT on the truck which he is driving, time zone he can on the date which he has started. These are some values. Now we will go for this certify. The particular driver has recorded his ELD logs, so he needs to certify before he ends his log. So he can certify the previous days any day log. So we will take like 22nd September of certify. So there was no log change we can see. And once he can edit, for edit, he has many changes. So this is like we have seen it's off from start to end. We'll check for some other. So here is the log graph which displays edit. So we'll select some particular way. And change the status to sleeper berth. We need to enter reason. And then we can save. Log is successfully saved. So here we can see the change in the graph. It's that thing when we check it on. So this is editing of particular log. We can certify a log. We will go now in web ELD from the website where the admin can see what's the particular driver's status or his ELD logs. So admin can select his driver, any driver, and gets the day logs. So this is the current log it is running on. See, we can hear there is all uncertified, so we are not able to click on anyone. But from Windows side, when the driver certify and submit a particular day's log, he need to enter his social ID. Then this will be certified. Now the driver cannot certify or edit or change in that particular certified logs. But here if we refresh, the admin of the web portal will now get that log as certified. Now admin is able to change or have a look at the driver's certified day log. So it was 22nd September, all the day was off, and we can change it. So this is the graph. We can make it edit if we think it's changing from on duty. Just make changes, submit, log successfully updated. we can see the changed graph. Just close it. Now here we will see that the 22nd September it is now uncertified. Now the driver from the driver app has to certify it. See, 22nd September, now it's again back to certify. So you can see the change that this is made to on, and he can just keep it certified or submit, or he can edit again and say that no, that it was off only, and save the changes. See the changes we can see currently here, and then he can again submit it. Certified. We will continue with the DVR part in DVR is a driver vehicle inspection report in which driver has to inspect the vehicle before he starts his journey. So driver first needs to select his assigned truck. So against that truck he can work forward. When the driver logs in, he sees some logs that are uncertified, or maybe there are some logs which are not been changed.